Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I'm going to show you a gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray convertible. Now, this car has been a rotisserie frame-off restoration and no expense spared. Believe it or not, this gentleman had over $100,000 invested in this car. And I know you're going to say, why would you want to invest over $100,000 in this car? Because that's what he wanted and that's what he built. And this thing is absolutely gorgeous. It has power steering, it has power brakes, it has aftermarket vintage air conditioning, side pipes, rally wheels, red line tires, marina blue. I call it marina blue. Blue interior. They might call it bright blue. This car is absolutely splendid. You can look down the sides of this car. You can look at the paint on this car. You can look at the body on this car. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Interior's spectacular. Seats are in great shape. Dash pad, instrument cluster. Car only has 76,000 original miles on it. 350 horse, 350 engine. Automatic transmission, as you can see, has an updated retro stereo system, Stingray formats. Even the clock works on this car. Beautiful car, inside and outside. It is a two-top car. It has a white convertible top under there that looks like brand new. It also has a hard top that is a black, the black kind of vinyl hard top that goes along with this car. If you're looking for a Corvette, 69 Corvette, you don't need to look any further because here it is. Here is the beautiful Corvette that you are looking for. I don't think they come any sharper. They don't come any cleaner. They don't come any nicer. I'm going to start this thing up. I'm grabbing my, honestly, I'm grabbing my jumper pack here because it's been sitting in here all afternoon and somebody left the key on. So the battery is dead. So I am going to jump it for you. I am 100% honest with everybody, so that's what you get, 100% honesty. It does have an Optima battery in it, but it doesn't matter whether it has a Optima battery or what kind of battery it has. You leave the key on for 3 or 4 hours, it won't matter. That beauty. Headlights work, parking lights work. I'll try the turn signal here in a minute. Side pipes are pretty kick-ass. We're going to be honest with you here at Kenyon Classic Cars. We base our sole business on honesty and integrity. Tilt wheel, telescopic wheel, horn works, dash lights work, left turn signal. Man, that interior in this car is just gorgeous. Right turn signal, license plate light. Coker tires on it. That nice armrest there. Remember, actually, those are awesome to have. Otherwise, you're setting your arm down on the little center console all the time. Look at the jams on this car. Look at the sill plates, those door jams. All the seals are in great shape. Check out your door panels. Just an all-around gorgeous 69 Vet convertible. I drove this car. I've had this car for a couple weeks. I drove it when it first came in. It was a nice day. So I took it down the road and this thing runs and drives spectacular. There you'll see the under the hood of this car. detailed engine compartment, aluminum radiator, well, Edelbrock aluminum intake, like an Edelbrock carburetor too. Dome lights work. Radio works. You can't tune any stations in here, but they work. Just a really, really nice Corvette. Super clean car. If anybody's interested in a 69 Corvette, like I say, there's no need to look any further. This car is absolutely gorgeous. Nice steering wheel, nice steering column. The paint on this thing is just as good as it looks. I don't think there's a single chip or ding or scratch or anything on the paint of this car. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, www.kenyonauto.com, KINION auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every single day. So please give us a call if you're interested in buying this beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, or maybe one of the other cars that we have in stock. Give us a call today. I really appreciate everyone watching our video. Hope everyone has a great afternoon. And please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kenyon Classics. That way you never miss another great classic car that we offer. Have a great night, everybody.